YT130 drone operation tutorial. Open the packaging box, take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the drone battery before use. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Connect the other end to the power supply. The red light stays on during charging and automatically turns off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect one end of the charging cable to the remote control. Connect the other end to the power supply. The red light stays on during charging and automatically turns off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Expand the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a level surface. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch, and the drone will automatically perform frequency matching. Short press the gyroscope calibration button. The drone light flashes rapidly and remains on, and the gyroscope calibration is completed. Long press the compass calibration button to calibrate. Rotate the drone clockwise horizontally. After hearing a beep, rotate the drone clockwise and vertically. After hearing two beeps, the compass calibration is complete. Waiting for the drone to search for stars. You can take off with a long beep. App connection demonstration. Scan the app QR code first to download the app. Choose to download based on the mobile system. After downloading, connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying. Short press the unlock button and push up the left joystick to take off. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Short press speed gear adjustment. A few beeps indicate the number of gears. There are a total of 3 gears. Camera up and down adjustment. Long press the obstacle avoidance button to activate obstacle avoidance. Short press the return button, and the drone will return to the takeoff point. Indoor flight demonstration. Turn on the drone and remote control switch. Long press the GPS button to turn off GPS. Short press the unlock button and push up the left joystick to take off. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it.